sometimes as we carry this thing that we have picked up as those that believe and serve the one true God, as those that are married unto God, as those whom the Lord has called Beulah, sometimes in the temptation and the pain of what it is to carry this thing in our spiritual womb, we turn to adultery, we turn to another lover, we turn to another source, because our faith begins to fail, because we begin to get weak, because our flesh begins to overtake us, and spiritually we begin to marry other things. We begin to marry other forms of thought. We begin to marry other methodologies that are not the methodologies of God and the methodologies of Scripture. And as we walk day by day, there is a wrestling in the womb of our spirit between that which we know we should do and that which our flesh rises up to push us into, though we need not and want not to do it. And so God says to Rebekah, he says there's two nations.